So I improved on my project since the last video. Here I have the receiver, and here I have the transmitter using the nrf24l01 transceiver. This is a joystick shield. It's made by Funduino. I just bought off. You can find this for like $6-7 on eBay. It has a joystick along with 4 main buttons and 2 smaller buttons here. I like this because it has a little spot for the transceiver so that I don't have to do any extra wiring. It just goes on, and this is all I had. On the receiver's end, since last time we saw that there was a lot of wires coming out, a lot of long wires, so I created this shield that houses the nrf24l01 transceiver. So I just pop it on to the stackable headers on the Adafruit Motor Shield down here, and it works perfectly. Of course, this nrf24l01 transceiver makes it hard for some of the motors to run because they use the same pins. Since I'm trying to create this remote control tank, I need to figure out a way around that. I have these 2 little servos here, just like last time, and I'm also using an extra 6-volt lead acid battery that I found around the house, instead of using a 9-volt one like I'm using here, because they tend to die very quickly. They don't have a lot of capacity. So 6-volt, it's rechargeable. It's pretty good. So let's see this in action. So if I move the joystick, it moves both of them. I don't have it taped down or anything, so it's just all over the place. The buttons are also functional. These 4 buttons. Right now they're not doing anything physical, but if you look at the code, if I hold down the down button, you'll see that it goes from 1 to 0. Same with the right. If I click on it, if I click on 2 of them at the same time, left and down, they become 0. It's scrolling pretty quickly because it's constantly transmitting data, and I think there's some data loss when it's showing no radio available. So all the buttons are functional. I can do more stuff with it. I can put LEDs on this, on the receiver's end, and control it with the buttons, which is pretty easy to do. Now, yeah, fun project. So hoping to get this onto chassis soon. I'm gonna post the code online if anybody wants it. Cool. And there's a board in my foot. He helped me code. You can also go to my main channel, njoker555, and subscribe. I have more stuff there. Arduinos are fun.